Unlock the secrets of dry storage. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the practical phrase, dry storage. Whether you're a cooking aficionado or organizing your pantry, understanding this term is essential. Let's unravel its meaning together. Dry storage refers to a method of preserving items in a cool, dry place away from moisture. It's crucial for maintaining the quality and longevity of various goods, particularly non-perishable food items. This method prevents spoilage and keeps your staples fresh and ready to use. Proper dry storage isn't just about organization. It's about safety and efficiency. Keeping items in a dry environment protects them from mold, bacteria, and pests. Plus, it helps in reducing waste and saving money by prolonging the item's usability. Dry storage isn't limited to food. It encompasses a range of items such as grains, spices, flour, and electronics. Each item has specific requirements for optimal storage conditions, which often include a low humidity environment. Here are some tips to master dry storage. 1. Use airtight containers to seal out moisture. 2. Store items in a cool, dark place like a pantry or cupboard. 3. Keep a check on expiration dates and use a first-in, first-out system. 4. Label your containers for easy identification and to track freshness. Understanding and implementing dry storage can significantly impact your daily life, from cooking ventures to household management. I hope this video has shed light on the simplicity and effectiveness of dry storage. Stay organized and happy learning!